So hi everyone, welcome to a brand new how to be on video. In this video, we'll see how to open a pen. This is a really unfamiliar topic and unnecessary topic for some people, but there are some people who cannot even open a pen, and guess what? I'm there for you. Oh, my light is also there for you. So today we are going to see how to open a pen. For this, you need basically a pen. Any pen is fine. But by the way, if you're unable to open a push pen, I don't know what the exact name is, but I'll just give you a picture of it here. You can comment down the name of the pen, right? You can comment down if you want the tutorial to open that pen as well, right? So back to the video. Let's see how to open this pen. I mean, you need to have you can do this stuff with either two hands or even one hand. So yeah, it's gonna be easier if you use two hands. All right, you're gonna grab the pen from one side. You can grab it anywhere if you want to, but I would prefer this end, and the other end will be over this side. All right, now you should just try to put the force you could put and try to pull it as much as possible. You're not getting it? Alright, you got it. So alright, I'll repeat it again. Step 1, you need to keep your arms near the pen. Step 2, you need to grab one end of this. Step 3, you need to grab the other end of this. And step 4, just twist it a bit and pull it out. And that's how you pull a pen. We're going to see how to close a pen. Before seeing it, we should really know that why we need to close a pen generally. The main reason is this tip is called what is it called? It's called the nib, alright? This nib would get dried if we don't close it. And so that's why we need to close it. And it is really simple, and it's not that complex than the previous video where we need two hands. If you're really pro, you could just close it with like this. You know what? Just close it. But no, we're not going to go for the advanced level here. We're going to go for the beginner level. So we're just going to open it again. All right. Same step on. You need to hold the cap. Or if you've just thrown away the cap, you have to just go grab it. Right. Make sure to find if you cannot find your cap. Just look under your desk or near on the floor. You will probably find it. Comment down if you found your pen cap. Alright. Now grab your pen cap. Will look something like this, alright? And grab your pen. Now you need to bring it closer. You'll have a magnetic radiation, you might think, but you will have nothing like that. Alright, so just keep it closer, and press it in, and there you go. You just close the pen. We'll just show you it again. So we just alright. Once again. Yeah. So grab the pen cap, grab the pen, keep it in and keep it inside, and that's it.